Break time, yeah. Noel eating his nachos, putting little jalapenos on top of them and taking big bites. Sean with his cotton candy. That was way too big, but you did a good job. Grandma helped you with a pinch, but that's about it. What did you have, Mijo? You had a pickle, cotton candy, and chips. I know I had nachos, sour punch. And we got our Capri Suns going here, of course. Got Grandma over there, split some nachos with me. And all is good in the world, right? Life is good.
But not in Africa.
Life is good in Carrollton, Texas.
Dallas.